Updating WhatsApp is crucial for security, protecting against vulnerabilities and data breaches. It also gives access to new features like AI chatbots and channels. Additionally, updates ensure compatibility with the latest operating systems, such as iOS 18 and Android 14. Meta releases updates every 2 weeks to patch issues and enhance the user experience, so staying current is very important. Before updating WhatsApp, it's important to check your current version. This helps you confirm that the update was successful and ensures you know what version you're starting with. On iPhone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. From there, tap Help, then tap App Info to see your current version number. On Android devices, the process is similar. Open WhatsApp Settings, tap Help, and then select App Info to view your current version. Knowing your current version helps you verify that updates install correctly. As of early 2026, the latest version is in the WhatsApp 2.24.20.x series. To update WhatsApp on iPhone, open the App Store app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the App Store. Scroll down to Available Updates and locate WhatsApp in the list. Tap the Update button next to WhatsApp to start the installation. Alternatively, enable automatic updates in Settings to have WhatsApp update automatically over Wi-Fi. To update WhatsApp on Android, open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture. Select My Apps and Games. Then tap the Updates tab. Find WhatsApp in the list and tap Update. You can also enable Auto Update apps in the Play Store settings for automatic updates over Wi-Fi. If you encounter problems updating WhatsApp, first ensure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is recommended for reliable updates. Next, check that you have sufficient storage space on your device. WhatsApp updates require approximately 200 megabytes of free space. If the problem continues, restart your device and attempt the update again. For persistent issues, try clearing the cache of your App Store or Play Store. If nothing works, contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Enabling automatic updates for WhatsApp ensures you always have the latest features and security patches without needing to manually check for updates. This hands-off approach keeps your app current with AI tools, enhanced encryption, and new capabilities like channels. With automatic updates enabled, you don't need to remember to update manually. The app updates itself in the background, saving you time and ensuring you never miss important improvements. Automatic updates provide optimal performance through bug fixes and enhancements, while offering strong protection against security vulnerabilities that could compromise your data. As shown in this Windows settings screen, enabling auto updates in your device settings ensures WhatsApp stays current automatically, similar to how system updates work. This vulnerability management cycle illustrates how automatic updates fit into a comprehensive security strategy, helping prevent incidents before they occur. For the best WhatsApp experience, enable automatic updates in your App Store settings. This simple step provides ongoing security and access to the latest features. Real-world examples show the dangers of delaying WhatsApp updates. In 2024, a security incident in Brazil exploited unpatched versions through phishing attacks, causing millions to lose account access. 40% of affected users hadn't updated in over 6 months. Similarly, during the WhatsApp channel's rollout in India, outdated versions led to compatibility problems, app crashes, and feature inaccessibility for 100 million users. Regular updates mitigate these risks by providing the latest security fixes and improvements. Looking ahead, WhatsApp updates will increasingly focus on AI-powered features, with experts predicting that artificial intelligence will drive 70% of the app's capabilities by 2030. These advancements include smart chat assistants, automatic translations, and intelligent message summaries. Cross-platform functionalities will allow seamless messaging across devices and operating systems, breaking down barriers between iOS, Android, and emerging platforms. This integration will make WhatsApp truly universal. Metaverse capabilities will enable avatar-based interactions and virtual spaces within WhatsApp, creating immersive communication experiences that go beyond traditional messaging. The app's architecture will evolve to support these features, as shown in this diagram of WhatsApp's system components, including enhanced server clusters and AI processing capabilities. In workspaces of the future, like this tech-oriented environment, WhatsApp will integrate deeply with professional tools, powered by sustainable optimizations that reduce energy consumption and app size. Regulatory compliance, such as the EU's Digital Services Act, will drive updates for better data transparency and privacy controls. Staying updated is essential to access these innovations and maintain top tier security in the evolving messaging landscape.